Lewis from the Vevox team here, and I'm about to show you my top 3 word cloud polls that you can use at the start of your meetings and events. Polling question number 1. Where are you joining from today? Now this is a great opener for large-scale virtual meetings. This question gives the presenter and the audience an idea of where everyone is attending from, whilst also giving a sense of togetherness. Polling question number 2. Using an emoji, how are you feeling about this project? Now this question will bring a positive light on the project you're about to dive into, whilst also boosting the morale of the whole team and getting everyone excited for what's coming next. And finally, polling question number 3. In one word, what would you like to learn more about in today's meeting? A great way for your audience to influence the agenda and any discussion points that may need a bit of extra attention during the meeting. That's it from me, really nice and simple. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you at the next one.